Morning, Christmas tree. Good morning, everybody. I have spot cream on and it is Vlogmas day 4. This is also the first time I've spoken this morning and my voice sounds a little bit weak. I woke up and I forgot that I did the tree last night. I also had a little bit of a lie-in. I woke up at 7:30, which is hilarious that that's a lie-in for me at the moment, but I didn't mean to. But I set my alarm for 6 and then woke up an hour and a half later like, oh, because I've got a lot of YouTube work to do today. I've got 2 brand deals to shoot and edit and send today, which I'm a little bit stressed about, but we'll make it work. But first I am gonna open my advent calendars because I realised I forgot to do it yesterday. So we've got 4 things to open today. Day 3, a loofah. I actually don't have a loofah. That's actually very helpful. Thank you, Nivea. A loofah. And day 4, a exfoliating, I believe, face sponge. You're currently sat on top of my glossy box, so let me try not to knock you over. It's a glossy box blending sponge. Didn't even know they made that. And then I got a Nude Sticks Lick and Cheek Lip and Cheek pencil in Mystic. I actually really like Nude Sticks as a brand. I've got loads and loads of their products. I don't know whether I have that colour. Oh, she is drowsy this morning. I need to edit yesterday's vlog because I need to go to PT at 10. So let me get on with that. Oh my god, Krangbin have released a new song. I just finished editing yesterday's vlog and I actually really like it. It's like, it's very festive. It's not the longest vlog, but it makes me feel very Christmassy. But yeah, Krangbin have just released a new song, so I need to give it a listen. Look at the artwork for this. That is just such a vibe, do you not think? I talk about Krangbin all the time, but if you don't know Krangbin, then get to know Krangbin. They're like one of mine and Tim's favourite bands. They're incredible. We went and saw them in Brixton probably a year or 2 ago at this point. And I've seen them twice. They're a band from Texas and their music is called, they define it as like, sorry, it's not focusing, Thai jazz fusion. And it's the most relaxing music. I just sit and just vibe out to it. It's so good. So if you've never listened to Krangbin, it means aeroplane in Thai. Fun fact, they're amazing. So I'm gonna listen to their new song and I'll give you a little review. Here's my review. I still have spot cream on my face. I need to remember to take this off before I go to the gym. It's still very Krangbin. It's very different for Krangbin though. Like the instrumental is very like traditional to Krangbin, but it's got the most lyrics and the most vocals of any Krangbin song ever. Leon Bridges is the vocal. The style of the instrumental is the same, but the style of the song in general is very different because they don't normally have that much like singing. Third Room I think is the one with the most lyrics before that, and that is barely anything. So give it a listen if you are interested or if you like Krangbin. They have a new song out. Hooray. Why is this so funny to me? What's happened? Just watching Lizzie Hadfield's vlog before I head out the door. Yesterday's vlog is uploaded and will be going live at 4. I usually upload my videos at 6, but I've been uploading them at 4 recently so that they're up as soon as people get out of school. So let me know if that time works for you. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not hugely in the mood to go to the gym, which is rare. Usually I'm like, yeah, let's go. And it's ironic that yesterday's vlog was literally like, I did a little segment about how to be motivated to go to the gym, and today I'm like, I don't want to. But I have to take like a week off the gym next week because of something that's happening on Friday, which you'll see. But you won't see it until the 8th because I've got a video going up with a brand on my birthday on the 7th. So I'm gonna combine the vlog from the 6th and the 7th and upload it on the 8th. So you'll still get 25 videos, but if I ever feel like doing like a makeup tutorial or something, which I will do, I'll just combine the days after, you know, and just upload it, like continue to vlog every day, but just upload a slightly longer combined vlog the day after I upload like a sit down video. That's how I've decided to do it at least. So late, sorry Monica.
Something after your session.
Oh, amazing.
Of course.
What do we have? Oh, the tropical flavour.
This year, yeah, so you can have it after your session, before protein. Yeah, because it just fills up your muscle.
Green apple or a strawberry.
Green apple is Green apple's good. Oh, you can look at yourself, innit?
I don't want to see myself right now. And then Sainsbury's. I don't have time to show you what I got, but I will show you it after I filmed a quick video that I really need to film and edit and send over to a brand. But first I just need to have my protein. I'm gonna start with the Defend BCAAs that Monica gave me. So sweet. I was walking around the gym with a balloon all day, which made me feel very special. Oh, that smells good. I'm gonna try the green apple because I think she said that was her favorite. That's not an artificial looking color. Give it a try. Oh my god, it's so green. That's not bad actually. And I was gonna have my regular protein shake, but I think I'm gonna have a Grenade Carb Killer gingerbread instead, because again, Monica gave it to me. So it's PT approved, so I'm gonna have this instead. It's time to film. In yesterday's vlog, I got these goodies from Charlotte Tilbury and I told you I would try them on camera, so that's what I'm gonna do. The contour wand, appropriate brush for this task. Where are you? I don't know how dark this is gonna be. It's the shade light medium, so I'm assuming not particularly dark. Oh, see, it looks dark, but normally with products like these, they blend out. Especially Charlotte Tilbury, which is quite a like no makeup kind of vibe. Oh, it's very cool toned, which I mean I guess is great for a contour. It's quite an accurate contour shade actually, maybe down the sides of the snoz. Quite a natural shade, but it does dry quickly. It looks pretty natural. Contours I like, not love. I think this is what I'm gonna like the most. It's the Beauty Light Wand. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like this a lot. What a lovely natural glow. And that's gone on top of the powders actually surprisingly well. I like that. I can't believe I didn't mention this sooner. It's so funny. Yesterday, someone commented on my video like, Emma, you need to make a home account for your house on Instagram. I literally had just made one. Like, as soon as I read that comment, I was like, that's bizarre that I literally made one. I made one yesterday. So if you guys want to see before and after pictures of the flat, like stills and updates of what I'm buying and stuff like that, I have made a home Instagram account and it's called Rectangle Renovates, and I am so excited about it because I take pictures of the flat and things in the flat, but I just don't know whether they have a home on my Instagram. So I'm really happy to like have a place to put all of my home things on because it's such an enormous passion of mine. For those of you who are interested in it, I'm really excited. It's adding a whole other platform onto my plate for me to keep up with, but this one, like, I think is just gonna be more of a passion thing, and I think it's just gonna be for fun. And if you guys want to follow it, then please do. I just filmed that video and I'm thrilled. My big camera died halfway through, so I had to finish it on my vlog camera, which isn't ideal, but what are you gonna do? It's Vlogmas anyway, so it's fine. My phone is ringing. Who is texting me? No one interesting. Now I've made this mess and I need to make myself a cup of tea and edit the video I just filmed and send it over for approval. Busy day. Okay, all of my worky work is done for the day. I've edited my Vlogmas. Vlogmas is live. I have filmed, edited and sent across my Christmas gift guide video, which is going up on my birthday. I feel good. And I can finally show you what I bought today in Sainsbury's. I was looking at my Christmas tree last night and I decided that I needed some more like filler baubles. I like how spacey it is and I like how random it looks, but I wanted just a few, especially to go around the back because my baubles are all so cool. I didn't want them to be around the back, but when you sit on the sofa you can kind of tell that there are none on the back. So I got these 24 gold baubles. It was literally like £3, if that. So this will just fill the space. I'm still mourning my gumball machine bauble because that was my favourite, but we're over it. I just dropped my massive bottle of Alien and smashed the bottom. Now it's really sharp because there's the edge of glass there, and there's also some shards of glass on my floor. I also got some of these baubles which I really liked. They're like clear ones with black, white and copper stars inside. I thought they were quite cool. I got 4 little frosty Christmas trees, one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom, one for the living room, or maybe 2 for the living room, like one on either side of the mantelpiece to add a bit of festive flair. Cute. You'll see these in my gift guide video, but I got these for me as well. I also got a little wreath. It was a really cheap one, but I just really wanted one on my front door. I've never had one here before. At the Benefit Friendsgiving event, they made these amazing cocktails and they were so simple ingredients wise, but they looked really cool. And I was like, I'm gonna make those. I'm gonna make them. They're gonna be so much more effort than they're worth. And I'm not even really drinking that much at my own party because of a reason you'll find out in a couple of vlogs time. I'm not pregnant, by the way. Do not assume that's what it is, because I'm most definitely am not pregnant. I love novelty things, so I decided I'm gonna do it. So basically all you need: Vimto, Rio, you need the cans. I would have got big bottles, but you need the cans. So I've got cans of Vimto, cans of Rio. I've gone for sugar-free in case I want to have 1 or 2. Sorry everyone else, but it's my birthday. And then what Benefit did is they got little mini bottles of absolute vanilla vodka, and you stick it in the top, you stick in a cocktail stick, and you put a little bit of passion fruit on. That's what they did at Benefit. I'm not buying 100 miniatures of a vodka because that would be so mad expensive. So what I've done instead, because I think I might be a bit insane, is I've bought 50 empty liquor bottles, mini ones, and a shit ton of Absolute Vodka Vanilla, so I can make my own. And I got cocktail sticks for the passion fruit because it's kind of like their spin on a porn star martini, which is my favourite cocktail. My friend Liam is coming round tonight with Tim, and they're DJing some of the set at my party. My friend Ned, Liam and Tim's going to do some as well. That we're going to spin for a bit, so they're coming round to plan that and what they want to do. So I'm just going to be tidying around them. First I want to get these new baubles on the tree so I can pack down these boxes and throw them away.
Okay, I've added the gold baubles and you probably can't even really see them, but I feel like they've just filled it out a little bit. I've also added these ones. I really like these ones. They're quite big and they hang quite low, so they fill up big gaps. But the gold ones are here and here. And I've also put some pictures in, and throughout the party I'm going to get people, there's a few in here, there's another one down there, another one here, another one there. I'm going to get my friends to like hang them on these. So hopefully by the end there'll be loads and loads of pictures on here.
I love decorating Christmas trees. Loads of you guys were saying, can I come around your house and decorate your Christmas tree? I would love to come around your house and decorate your Christmas tree. I absolutely love doing it so much. Oh, this is good. This is a good look. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a Liam and a Tim. Liam and Tim in the house, everybody.
Whoa.
Hello, hello. They're here because they are doing some, as the kids call it, mixing because of my party on Saturday. So they're just doing some practicing basically. While I sit here and I'm gonna do a Tesco shop. Really exciting stuff because I have no food. I don't even have tea bags anymore, and I just made 3 teas even though neither of them wanted one. So I wasted 2 of my last tea bags. Desperate times, everybody. I'm not in focus. You buy a new camera and you expect it to work basically, and it just doesn't.
Sound weird if I brought it in at any other time, because it's
The DJ booth is ready for Saturday night.
Anyway, I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. I feel like I actually really haven't vlogged very much at all today. I was just doing boring tidying, to be honest. I got quite a lot done this evening, but again, it's just stuff that is boring and not very vloggable.
Good night, Christmas tree.
So I'm going to brush my teeth and go to bed, and we'll see you in the morning, or I will.
Sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. Though I